Let's familiarize ourselves with this one first. Let's familiarize ourselves with this one first. Now, let's go quickly to this place. Look at here where the word accountant is. Okay. Down to this place. Okay. Down to this place. We're going to discuss that. And then, so I'm showing you the division. You see that there's a line separating here from here. Okay. So we'll look at this place and then we'll come and look at here too. What are the things happening there? But basically, when you look at it, I told you QuickBooks is divided into two, area and center. So let's look at the area first. Now, this is the area. You see a plus new. There's something here, plus new. It's a QuickBooks area. So click on it. Pa. Okay, everybody has come. Customer area, vendor area, employee area, banking and company area put together. Do you get it? Yeah. So you see invoicing, receiving payment, statement, estimate, credit note, sales receipt, refund receipt, delayed credit, delayed charge, add customer. We'll come and explain them, don't worry. Expenses, check, bill, pay bill, purchase order, supplier credit, credit card charges, adding a supplier in the system. We'll look at that. From tomorrow, you see a very detailed work going on this, some of these things. Single time activity, weekly time sheet, review time. When you see team in the QuickBooks Online, it's talking about employee. Okay, so in the QuickBooks Online, there are some classification of human beings. One is team, employee. Two is client. Client are not customers. In QuickBooks, clients are not customers. The QuickBooks one is not customer. It's talking about a whole entity that you are working for. Then we have customer, are people who are coming and paying you small, buying something. So we'll look at all this one. Project. So you can track specific project and do project accounting. So put the project in, the project cost, and then when you are drawing down the project, you begin to apply it, state the project. So at the end of the day, we see that this project brought us 2 million. We have spent 300,000. We are making 1.something million of this project. Great. Then task, I told you, task. So boss can say, let me click on task, maybe, because I won't come and talk about it much. Usually it is in passing that I mentioned it. So task name. So what do you want the employee to do? What do you want him to do? So you say recovery of debt. Okay, you put the task name is recovery of debt. Then you describe it. The things you want them to do, Ankasa. You put it here. And then assign to who? The employee will be here. So you see in my system, there are two people. There are Nathan and Priscilla. So once I choose you, it will come to your mail. It will also pop on your permission. All right. And then priority is a low, medium, high, urgent. And brother, stop everything and go and do this one. So you prioritize the task you are issuing to the person. And then when you are done, you save it. When you save it, or if you have any document you want to attach to whatever you want him to do, come here, click on it, you take it to your computer. Maybe you have scanned it on the computer. You share it to the person. Then you save it. Once the person comes to the office, he will see it. And begin to, or anywhere he is and opens his QuickBooks and log in, he will see what you have told him to do. So that's task. And then bank deposit, transfer. This transfer, I will explain it. What is exactly this word? Transfer of what? Journal entry, accountants. Yabe kan wasem. Yeah, no, yabe lande. Inventory quantity adjustment, you saw it on the other side. Pay down credit card and adding product and services to the system. So this is basically your area. All other thing you see is a center. These ones are short reports that you see. So I told the system to give me, where is it? Dashboard, yes. I told the system to give me business overview. So this is my business overview. And it tells me that my income is 9,600 so far. My expenses is 6,611, you see. So it gives you some snapshots of what's happening. And you're able to know what's going on. And you come here, some expenses categorization, which one are you spending more? These are, shortcuts, dashboard issues to tell you. But let's go to this place. This is basically the centers. So you see team, employees issues. Training, please take note of this. Training, this is where you write your international certification exam. We'll come there next week. All right. Then the QuickBooks apps. QuickBooks it has apps on Play Store and App Store, and you can download them on your phone and use it like the way you are using it here. All right, and log in and use it. So on your phone. So please, those of you like traveling, download it on your phone. You have logged in with your ID, with your email, everything to open for. You can issue invoice wherever you are, issue receipt wherever you are, send it to people's mail, send it to them on WhatsApp. Everything you can do on the phone. So just go through the training, know how to use it and that. These are bookmarks, bank transactions. So if you have connected your bank account to the system, you come here and download your bank transaction. Now, so these are bookmarks. Now, dashboard. So on the dashboard, this is the dashboard. This is the dashboard. So dashboard, getting things done. What are the things I need to do this week? You can put it there. Business overview, like I have there. So this is getting things done. So basically, this is the dashboard, getting things done, business overview, cash flow, and planner. All right. So getting things done. Add receipt. I want to issue a quick receipt. I want to add a supply. I want to add an expense. I want to add a bill. I want to pay a bill. I want to add a customer. I want to add an invoice. I want to track a time. These are quick things. It's like shortcuts. Then I told you of the business overview and then cash flow. Okay. So cash flow. So we'll know what's happening in and out. All right. And then planner. Planner is basically you can sit with your team. We are planning for the week. What are we going to do? And those kind of things. Please, some of these things, it helps you to structure your organization. But in the course of the training, I'll be talking about a lot of organizational structuring, financial structuring, and trying to build a very robust financial department for your company and for other people. So you take note. We'll be looking at that. Now, so this is basically transaction center, bank transaction, app transactions. If you are using an app and at the same time on the web, you have the app transactions you did and the web transaction, reconciliation, rules, setting bank rules, chart of account, recurring transactions, sales, okay, all about sales, expenses, report. These are the centers, time, inventory, project, workflow, automation, and all of them are centers. But let's go to this side. This side is where the whole thing is. This is the area where you can bring in all the new, if you want to issue an invoice, you want to issue a receipt, you want to do whatever, new things like a new thing, bringing them in. That's why you see plus new. But this is where you do your setup, this place, this. So first of all, let's look at this. Here, where you have the magnifying glass, take note of that word. When you are writing your exams, that question will come. Where you have the magnifying glass, you can set for anything, any figure, any word, any customer, any client, anything you don't remember where it is. Just put it there and it will pop up. If it is the system on Quandia, it will pop up. Then you come here. So this is where we call settings, gear box, gear icon. Click on it. You see, oh, brilliant. So this is where you do your easy step interview to set up your system for use. Company settings. Custom form style. So you have a particular invoice that you use or a particular receipt you use, well designed with your logo, blah, blah, blah. And you want to bring it into QuickBooks so that when you print it out, it will reflect the same way. We do it here. We do it here. Chart of accounts. Additional information. We'll come and look at all of them, so don't worry. List, all list, product and services, recurring transaction. So these are where you do your settings. And when you do them, they reflect in the system. They take the shape of your setting and you begin to use it. So managing workflows, reclassifying transactions, importation of data. You have a list of all your customers. You have a list of all your assets. Yes, your chart of account. You have a list of all your vendors or suppliers. You have a list of things you want to bring, your items and services in Excel. So you can import it from Excel into QuickBooks and all of them will arrive at the same time. Exportation, meaning exporting something from QuickBooks, a report or something from QuickBooks to Excel or to another third-party software. Bank reconciliation, audit log. This is where we do the auditing of the system. We'll come there. Audit log, we'll come there. It's part of your training. Merge, duplicate client, share screen, transfer client. So usually, those of you who sign up to QuickBooks Online, when they call you from QuickBooks headquarters, they will tell you to go to the J icon and share screen. They want to see your screen, and then if they want to show you something, they can show you. And this is your company. What's new in my company? Subscription and billing, your team, sample company, feedback, privacy, and switching company, like I told you on the other side. So basically, this is the QuickBooks Online homepage.